The BMW i5 represents the next step in BMW's journey towards sustainable luxury and electrification. Designed as an all-electric version of the iconic 5 Series, the i5 combines cutting-edge technology, high-end comfort, and exceptional performance. It's a car that merges BMW's heritage of driving excellence with a future-forward approach to mobility. Let's explore what makes the new BMW i5 a standout in the luxury electric sedan segment. The exterior of the BMW i5 is unmistakably bold. It carries the signature BMW kidney grille, now adapted for its electric drivetrain. Sleek lines flow along its aerodynamic body, giving it a dynamic and elegant stance. The design is a perfect balance of sportiness and sophistication, showcasing BMW's commitment to timeless aesthetics. Advanced LED headlights with adaptive features not only enhance visibility but also add a futuristic edge to its design. The car's overall presence on the road is commanding, making it an instant head-turner. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, is a state-of-the-art electric drivetrain that delivers exceptional power and efficiency. The BMW i5 comes with multiple configurations, offering varying power outputs to suit different driving preferences. Whether you're after a smooth, efficient drive or a high-performance thrill, the i5 delivers. With instant torque from its electric motors, the acceleration is seamless and exhilarating, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in mere seconds, depending on the model. The i5 is not just about performance, it's also built for long journeys. Thanks to its advanced battery technology, the BMW i5 offers an impressive range, ensuring you can drive farther without frequent charging stops. Speaking of charging, BMW has equipped the i5 with fast charging capabilities, allowing drivers to recharge up to 80% of the battery in under 30 minutes. This convenience makes it a practical choice for both city commutes and long-distance travel. Step inside the i5, and you're greeted by a cabin that redefines luxury. Premium materials, ambient lighting, and ergonomic design create a space that's both inviting and functional. The centerpiece of the interior is the curved display that seamlessly integrates the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system. Powered by BMW's latest iDrive technology, it offers intuitive controls, voice activation, and real-time updates. The system is also compatible with over-the-air updates, ensuring the car stays up to date with the latest features. The BMW i5 is designed with sustainability in mind. Recycled materials are used extensively throughout the interior, and the production process emphasizes reducing the car's environmental impact. Despite its eco-friendly focus, the i5 doesn't compromise on luxury or performance, delivering the ultimate driving experience in a sustainable package. Safety is a top priority in the BMW i5, with advanced driver assistance systems ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking make driving effortless and secure. With cutting-edge sensors and cameras, the i5 is equipped to handle various driving conditions with ease. The BMW i5 is more than just a car, it's a statement. It represents a future where luxury, performance, and sustainability coexist. For those who demand the best of both worlds, the i5 is an electric sedan that doesn't compromise, offering the perfect blend of innovation and tradition.